Hey, how's it going, guys? Jake or Almighty here. Today I'm down at the river and I was gonna look for some more river treasure. I even brought all my swim gear with me, but I noticed that the city is currently being flooded by the river. Check this out. So it rained yesterday and the water's super high and it's super murky. So I'm gonna have to wait a couple weeks until the water clears back up. A little bit of a bummer, but I thought, you know what? It'd be kind of fun to start 2017 off with a best of river treasure hunting of 2016. Thank you guys so much for over 700,000 subscribers. We gained over 200,000 subscribers this month. It's just mind-blowing, man. That's so many people. Hey, drop a thumbs up if you guys are excited to see more river treasure hunting videos this year. Let's see if we can break over 10,000 likes on this video. That'd be insane, man. Your son is gonna be on the news, Dad.
Awesome. We're not doing anything illegal. Whoa!
Uh-oh. Hey, that's me!
Jake Kohler lives in Phoenix City and feels right at home the closer he gets to the Chattahoochee River. Jake grew up in California, where he spent a lot of time surfing. That's why he's right at home riding the continuous wave at Heaven's Gate on the Columbus side of the river. But Jake is most comfortable underneath those waves, exploring what lies below. Jake's tools of the trade are a face mask and snorkel, fins, a pair of scissors, and a couple of GoPro cameras. They capture his underwater adventures, and you wouldn't believe all the stuff he's collected.
Oh my God, dude, that's a giant turtle. All right, let's let him go.
We were pulling videos that he's posted on YouTube. That's what you saw tonight, but pretty incredible young man.
He's stressed out by turtles, but not by water moccasins. That would be it for me.
I couldn't do it.
Me neither.